Hello and welcome to day 57 of Bedtime Welsh. Hello. And now we've got a new way for you to use the word to give. Do you remember to give? To give is rhoi. We're going to help you to use it in the past to talk about having given or when you gave something. So get used to those structures. And we'll start with you gave. So you gave is just wnest ti rhoi. Wnest ti rhoi. So what is you gave?
Wnest ti rhoi.
Wnest ti rhoi. Ddim actually wnest ti rhoi, ydyn, wnest ti rhoi. Yeah. Beino, da ni'n gwneud Bedtime Welsh. Fedri di fod yn distaw? Diolch, cariad bach. Okay, so, no. So, you gave something. Can you give us that? You gave something.
Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth.
Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth. Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth. Beino, da ni dal yn gallu clywed chdi. Ti ar Bedtime Welsh ar y funud. Okay. How about you gave me something? Can you remember that structure? You gave me something.
Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth I mi.
Da iawn. Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth I mi. You gave me something. So now, how about you gave me something interesting?
Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth diddorol I mi.
Wnest ti rhoi rhywbeth diddorol I mi. Okay, and last one for today. I think that's Jack. We can clear here in the background, isn't it, playing with Beino? Hey, Jack, you're on Bedtime Welsh. Last one for today. What you gave me. What you gave me.
Beth wnest ti rhoi I mi.
Beth wnest ti rhoi I mi. Da iawn. Hope you're able to keep concentrating through some of the background sounds there. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!